Jumper 17.6-inch laptop review. Big screen. Office 365. Budget-friendly power. Ever stared at your tiny laptop screen, juggling tabs, documents, and video lectures, feeling stuck and frustrated? Slow boot times, constant switching, and lagging apps drain your energy and motivation. Work, study, or binge-watch sessions shouldn't feel like a battle. When your tools hold you back, focus slips, deadlines creep closer, and the sense of wasted potential builds relentlessly. The stress intensifies when assignments pile up, meetings start, or deadlines loom. You watch precious hours vanish while your sluggish machine struggles to keep pace. Multitasking becomes impossible, and frustration grows with each frozen window or delayed response. Burnout lurks around the corner, making you wonder if a reliable, fast, and capable laptop will ever arrive to save your workflow. Meet the Jumper 17.6-inch laptop P1, your solution to everyday computing woes. Its massive 17.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 100% sRGB coverage offers vibrant colors, reduced eye strain, and ample space for multitasking or entertainment. Powering this system is a quad-core Celeron processor reaching up to 2.9 GHz, paired with 16 GB DDR4 RAM to handle multiple applications seamlessly. Storage combines 512 GB SSD with 128 GB eMMC, ensuring fast boot times and application loads, with expansion via TF card if needed. Windows 11 Home and a 1-year Office 365 subscription come pre-installed, letting you dive straight into work or study. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, and HDMI, plus a backlit full-size keyboard for typing in any lighting condition. One student shared, "I could watch my lecture on one side and write assignments on the other. No more endless window switching." From casual browsing to productivity, the Jumper P1 transforms everyday computing into a smoother, faster, and more enjoyable experience. The Jumper P1 isn't just a big-screen laptop, it's a productivity partner. Users report effortless multitasking across browser tabs, Word, Excel, and video streaming without noticeable slowdown. Industry analysts note that the 100% sRGB display distinguishes it from typical budget options, offering surprisingly accurate color for casual photo work or content viewing. Influencers highlight the 1-year Office 365 inclusion as a clever value add, making it ready for school, business, or remote work straight out of the box. Experts point out that while the quad-core CPU isn't for heavy gaming, it handles daily tasks smoothly, complemented by 16 GB RAM and fast SSD storage. Customers rave. Assignments, research, and video lectures all run without lag. The large screen and backlit keyboard make everything easier on my eyes and hands. Another review. "I've never had a budget laptop feel this capable. It wakes instantly and keeps up with everything I throw at it." Modern connectivity with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, HDMI, and Type-C ensures you're future-ready. Whether it's work, study, or streaming entertainment, the Jumper P1 blends practical performance, convenience, and value, transforming your everyday tasks into smooth, productive sessions you can actually enjoy. Don't settle for cramped screens or sluggish performance. The Jumper 17.6-inch laptop P1 delivers big display, fast multitasking, and Office 365 ready-to-use productivity, all at an accessible price. Thousands of students, home users, and professionals have upgraded their daily computing experience. Limited stock is moving fast. Secure yours today and stop struggling with slow, underpowered laptops. Act now, embrace smooth workflow, and enjoy the benefits of a laptop that keeps pace with your life. Your productivity boost is one click away.